watch hentai all the time with my soul is tormented by a succubus. Colossus, pencil dripping from the way I spit. Fell in love.
Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I haven't been that active, but yeah, I'm back now I guess. So today we're going to make basically a revamped version of the video I made a while ago. It's called like making a Roblox script hub or whatever. I can put a picture of it. But yeah, that's basically what we're going to do today. So we're going to make it check your game, so it's going to be supporting 2 games. We're going to be using Prison Life and Ninja Legends. It should work on all exploits since it shouldn't really use any advanced stuff like meta tables or stuff like that. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So first off, we will obviously want to get our UI library. I'm going to use one which I found. It's called Cabo UI library. So I'm just going to paste that in here. And I'm going to use the theme called Sentinel because I think it looks cool. Prison Life, there. And let's just do game checking. I'm just going to do it in here. To string game place ID. So you might not be able to do that depending on if your exploit supports it or not. But now we want to do if game.placeID equals then the number. There. This will only be executed if we're in Prison Life. And yeah, that number is the same. Sometimes it isn't, and that's why I wanted to copy it through the script. But yeah, so right now we can execute it and our GUI will pop up. But it's quite empty since we don't have any tabs, we don't have any buttons or stuff like that. So let's just add like some tabs, I guess. There, like main maybe, and player probably. Player, main. Yeah, you can see that we can have our 2 tabs right there. I'm going to check where the GUI is, if it's in core GUI. Yeah, it's that. Yeah, because right now we have to do this, so wait. Yeah, it will spawn 2 of them. Well, it won't delete the old one. We could fix that, but yeah, I don't really feel like it, since it would take a while. But yeah, let's add some easy stuff to player. I would want a slider. Oh, we have to create a section then. Section. Player section. Yeah, there. And now let's add like walk speed. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, it actually has that by default. Yeah, I wanted to set it to 250 and 60. What's this? Oh, okay, we can set that to like change just the walk speed. I often call this V because it stands for value. So there. Oh yeah, let's just close the old one. And we can see the info, and yeah, that works. So let's change make one for the jump speed, jump power actually, no, yeah. Changes the jump power. And why I'm putting 16 and 50 is because 50 is the default value for jump speed, jump power, and 16 is the default for the walk speed. Oh yeah, let's just... Damn, that actually gets quite annoying. But yeah, you can see that it works like it should. can set it to default. Yeah, actually, let's just go outside. Oh, yeah, we can't. That's annoying actually. But yeah, so now let's try to add some more stuff to the main though, because we have nothing on the main. So let's do like player, and then just comment it so we know. So we can do local main section equals main add section, oh, new section, main and main section add. Let's see if it has drop downs. Yeah, it does. I don't really know exactly how to use them because I've never used this before. But yeah, it looks like it's like usual. Give gun gives the player local player icon V. Then let's have M9 Remington. What's it called? Let's become police or whatever. Oh yeah. Bruh. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to read. Oh shit. Yeah, why it wasn't working was because I removed this. But apparently it wants it to be there. Yeah, there. Now I should be able to remove it. Wait, no, let's just do there. Now it won't error. And we have the 870, not 970. What more do we have though? Isn't it like... Oh yeah, right here. But don't we have like an AK though? Yeah, we do. 47. So now let's just open up our... and we'll execute our remote spy. And we can copy the remote. And since V will be the name of the gun and person, let me see. Let's just find it right here. Yeah, there. We will see that this has all the items we can give ourselves. Ouch. And we can't give ourselves the what's it called? The paid items. But yeah, so basically instead of doing Remington, we can do V, and it should work. Both, bro. Okay, I have to arrest them. Bro, why can't I arrest them? Okay. Yeah, we should at least be able to give ourselves guns now. Remington. Didn't work. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's because it has a space. There. We already have the M9. Yeah, that works. And then I'm just going to make the gun mod, and then we're going to do the next game. Backpack. Let's just do like a Remington. Okay, just do view script. If you can't view the script, then your exploit is too bad, I guess. So we have to do, just copy this actually. Gun mod makes the gun OP. Local module equals, just do this. No, copy path there. Local player. Then we will have to check if it actually exists. If find first child. Local module equals name. Then we have to do, because if you equip the gun, it will be inside of your character and not a backpack. So I have to check if it's in the character. Game get service players dot local player dot character find for child v. Then instead of doing this, character. So this will just check if you have the gun, and why we have two checks is because the gun will be, as you see, the Remington is there right now. If I equip it, it will go into my where is it? Into my character, right here. Unequipping it, equipping it, and yeah. So now we can do if module is not equal to nil. Then so basically, if we found the script, then we can do. We actually have to do require. Then let's just, yeah, we have it right here. Max ammo, let's just try to change that. Module max ammo equals math.huge. This is the largest number possible. Then we can do module current ammo equals math.huge. Stored ammo to stored ammo. I guess that should work. Yeah, you can see that it works. Just make this a bit more OP. You can change the fire rate to like 0.001. Fire rate. Let's try that. Oh yeah, of course I get shot. Oh yeah, let's change the spread and bullets too. Do not make the bullets too high, cause that's how many bullets get shot per shot or whatever. You'll see it. Range equals math.huge, and then like module bullets equals 10 maybe. Oh yeah, we don't even have that. Remington. Yeah, reload time, that's what we have to change. Reload time equals, let's just copy this. Bruh. Okay, auto fire maybe. Yeah, let's try this on an M9 and you will see what I meant with bullets. Yeah, let's do that on the Remington too. There, it works. And we can change all of this stuff, like you can change the damage, the description, like yeah. You can actually like lag the servers quite a lot with this. But yeah, that's just simple GUI. And now let's go into the next game. Ninja Legends. Also if game.placeID equals, and we will want this place ID right there. Done. Linear variance. Yeah, there. You can see that it works. Now we might want to make like an auto swing, I guess. That will only require remote spike. There. Let's just see how we make toggles though. Oh shit. Auto swing. Make your player auto swing value. So I want to do while true do, and want to set the value get gen auto swing equals v. If not, get gen dot auto swing, then return, and that will stop the loop if auto swing is off. And we can do, have to add a wait, have to add the swing. And local player. And yeah, oh shit, I got killed. I actually like this UI library quite a lot. Yeah, basically what is happening is that the animation doesn't get played by the remote, it gets played by a separate script. That's why it's not swinging or like playing the animation. But we can make this to like 0.25 maybe, because you know they have like a limit to how fast you can swing. You see that it will stop if we turn it off. Yeah, you can't swing without that equipped. So let's just do backpack. Where is it? Backpack there. Attack that. Wait, let's just see right here. Description. Ninja. Yeah, we could do like for icon ID in pairs, give the players or local player dot backpack get children do if we find first child this them, and want to put a break here. The difference between breaking and returning is that if we would return, the entire script would stop, but breaking just jumps out of this and just goes to this. And actually we can put this at the top. So basically if the sword is not equipped, this is just checking if it is the sword. Then we want to do game.players.local player.character humanoid equip tool V. That should auto equip it, I think. Yeah, you see that it auto equips. Doesn't let us unequip if it isn't off. And we could make this a bit faster. But yeah, now we will start with auto swing probably. So the only easy way to make auto swing is to teleport the circle to you and then away from you, because it doesn't use remotes and teleporting to it isn't that reliable. So if we go into Dex settings, click part to select, then just click it. We'll have to find it. Just look out for like blue box. Wait, no. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, because I actually enjoy doing stuff like this. Let us see where it is, because I'm quite sure it has sell. Yeah, let's actually do the best sell thing. This will be like on an island or something, I don't know. So the right one should have a touch interest to check if you're touching it. Bro, okay, so this is obviously the thing we have to teleport. We can do copy path. Then we can do main section, new toggle, auto sell, comma, makes your player auto sell, a function v. Same thing here, get again dot auto sell. So basically why we have to use a global value is because the v value won't change. If we start a loop without this, basically this won't change because it's not a global value. So if we would just check the v, let's say we start a loop, then the v would always be true because it's not a global value. But yeah, it's kind of hard to explain, just use it, I guess. If not, get can dot auto sell, then return end. So basically, if not is the same as doing if is not equal to true. So yeah, dot c frame. Let's add like a weight 0.1 equals game.players local player dot character humanoid root part dot c frame. So basically your c frame is your position, but it's more reliable. It has the rotation too. That's the only difference between positions and c frames. But I would like nearly always use c frames, because if you're going to be tweening your position, it's most of the time not going to be working, since it will just, I don't know why actually, but it just doesn't work. So now if we just always teleport it to the player, it won't update because the player will always be touching it. So I have to teleport it away. C frame dot new 0,0,0, and that should actually work. Okay, let's any errors now. So oh yeah, we probably have to do this maybe. Let's do like print. Let's just print the C frame of this to see if it's actually changing, you know. Okay, so that actually looks like it's not really doing anything. That's actually really weird. Yeah, there's no real difference there. I'm just trying to return here, so it doesn't check. If it works right now, yeah, that works. So that must mean that this is wrong, I guess. Okay, actually I don't really know why. So that means that this is the thing which is messing it up. Return. you can see that it works. That works, but okay, so if it returns, let's just make it also print get can auto sell. Equals false. Let's just try that, I guess. Why is it returning when it's true? Print V. I have no actually idea right now. That's weird. Let's just rejoin, I guess. But yeah, if you have learned anything from this, I would really appreciate it if you, for example, like and subscribe, I guess. And if you don't like it, and then I would just dislike it, so I know to not make anything like this. But yeah, I'm guessing why it wasn't working is because we left the loop on while it... Yeah, you will have to, let's do like, if v equals true. This is kind of like debugging. Then print starting loop, print stopping loop. Now we will see if the loop starts or stops. Yeah, it works. That's great. But basically what I'm guessing happened is we had two loops running, like we had two of these goose open at once, both running this, and one of them had get gen like this to true and one of them had it to false. But yeah, that's just a guess, I guess. But yeah, we could make an auto buy swords, I guess. And after that, this will basically be a full auto form, I guess. Oh yeah, we can make an unlock all islands. Where this music is. New button, maybe. Button. Unlock all islands. Unlocks all islands function. This doesn't need V inside of it because it won't return a value. You know, the button can't really be true or false. It's always, well, it doesn't really have a value for it since it's not really a toggle. So now let's just do like islands. Oh yeah, add this. We can do copy path for I command E in pairs. Get children do and game.players.local player character.humanoid root part.cframe equals v.cframe. But we have to do, let's try this. I think this is a mesh part. Yeah, that should actually work, I guess. Oh yeah, we have to add a wait. 0.2 maybe. Because right now it teleported to all islands in like a second. But yeah, we can actually do like local old posit old cframe equals. Then let's do equals old cframe. So now it should teleport you back after. Just do it like here. And then it teleports you back. Yeah, that's basically exactly how we want it. You can probably do like 0. Fuck, I really can't type there. That will be a bit faster. I will just teleport to the best island, I guess. I'm just going to remove this because I want to teleport to the last island without teleporting back there. Because if we would get the buy remote from the island at the ground, it would only buy the swords which are buyable down there. So main section, new toggle, buy all swords, buys all swords, comma function v, and again dot buy swords equals v. You can call this anything you want, but to do, and if not, get can buy swords, then return end. So we would probably want a longer wait right here, like wait 0.5 maybe, because the more remotes you trigger, the more it will lag. So that's basically why you don't want too many remotes triggering. You can do like this. Should buy a new sword when possible. Let's see when the next sword is buyable. We need 8S. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, we will have to upgrade our backpack, I guess, or whatever it's called. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, belt. Buy all belts. Let's actually put auto buy. Auto buys all belts. Auto buys all belts. This will probably be the same, just that we'll have a different. Yeah, buy all belts. Yeah, we have to change this, because otherwise if we have both of these running, stopping one would stop both of them. Yeah, I'm just going to rejoin because my game is quite laggy, probably because of all the remotes. Yeah, this. Oh, that's why it isn't working, because we had a capital L right there. Oh yeah, sometimes it get that error. I like to refresh it. But yeah, this tutorial has been, well, I don't know how long it's been, but I definitely know it's been longer than usual. But yeah, I hope you guys at least learned something. We've used UI library functions, remotes. Oh, I have to update myself. But we have used UI libraries, we have used for loops, we have used remotes, we have used quite a lot. So if you've been following along, you probably learned quite a lot. Just going to make some spaces between here to make it look better, you know. Yeah, sorry for this, but Synapse updated, I guess. Bruh, okay. Now it should work. Yep. Thanks, Synapse. That's nice. Okay. Let's just. Yeah, you can see that these auto upgrade. You can see our belt too, I think. But yeah, this obviously works, so that's everything for me today. But yeah, today we made quite an advanced script, but yeah, you could obviously make this faster, but yeah, that's everything from me, I guess. But if you liked it, then just like it. If you didn't, then just dislike it.